We have well water at the house. Some people tell me it has a bit of a taste and a little bit of a smell. It doesn't bother me because I grew up drinking hose water, but it bothers some people. I'll tell you, when I was living in the city, the water smelled like chlorine, and I did not like that. So, purifying your tap water, kind of a thing I've been considering doing. All right, I'm just finishing up setting this SimPure water filter up here. I'm doing a purge session on it because it's brand new. How this works is you've got an RO filter, so reverse osmosis, and CF, whatever that stands for, filter, and a UV filter inside. You just take your tap water, put it on in here, close the lid, and this thing starts purifying the water. So basically what it has is the tank for the unpurified water and then an internal tank that it pumps into with purified water. So you can be drinking water out of this thing even though this tank might be getting empty. You can go refill the tank, you'll still have some on tap here. It's got lights here that'll tell you, you're out of pure water, which I am right now because I'm flushing this system out. This tells me that the UV is working and that the filter's working, and then we can pick some water sizes. So I'm going to flush this system out one more time. You got to do it between 3 and 5 times. We run 3 to 5 full tanks of water through it every time we put new filters in, and then we're going to try some of this water. So this thing does make a little bit of noise while it's working because it's pumping water. It kind of sounds about the same volume level as our fridge when our fridge is running, so not too bad. Okay, I'm going to try my inaugural glass of water here. By the way, this drip tray is really cool. It's magnetic. Holds onto there. And we're going to A/B test it with our normal tap water. So little touch screen here. We're going to tell it we want some water. I'm just going to do 6 ounces. Well, it looks delicious, I can tell you that much. Okay, A/B test here. Now, I am familiar with reverse osmosis water because I used to be in the window washing business. We didn't use soap. We only used RO water, and it works great on your windows. So there's a little homemaker tip for you. Okay, my well water. Listen, it tastes like hose water, okay? That's what it tastes like. I grew up on that stuff. There was no smell to this water out of the SimPure. Actually, that tastes really good. It's warm, right? Because I put, not warm, but it's like tepid. It's not cold, so I didn't put super cold water in there. It feels lighter, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like it's coating my tongue. Yeah, this water, now that I think about it, when I put it up to my nose, I can smell something. It's not bad, but it's not great. That's why the kids don't want to drink our water. Oh, yeah, the SimPure, you can just gulp this down. That tastes really good. Yeah, that's a cool machine. So I've got it over here right now because our kitchen's a mess, but we'll move that next to the sink and maybe the kids will start drinking some more water.